Ever feel like saving money is impossible? You're not alone. But what if I told you there's a simple way to save $1,000 in just 3 months even if your budget is tight? Let me show you how. Saving money can feel like a huge challenge, especially if you're living paycheck to paycheck. But here's the thing, small, consistent steps can add up to big results. Whether you're trying to build an emergency fund, pay off debt, or just feel more secure financially, this method works. And it's easier than you think. Let's break this down. To save $1,000 in 3 months, you need to save about $333 a month. That's around $11 a day, the price of a fast food meal or 2 coffees. Sounds more manageable now, right? Here's where the magic happens. 1. Cut out small, unnecessary spending. Think about how much you spend on things like eating out, subscriptions, or impulse buys. For example, if you grab a $5 coffee every morning, that's $150 a month. Try making coffee at home for 50 cents a cup. Boom, $120 saved. Cancel a subscription you don't use anymore, like streaming or a gym you never go to. That's another $15 to $30 in your pocket. Example, let's say John spends $10 a day eating out. If he packs lunch instead, he saves $50 a week, that's $200 a month right there. 2. Make extra cash with small side hustles. Can you do a few quick tasks to earn extra money? Apps like DoorDash, Uber, or TaskRabbit let you make cash on your schedule. Even 2 to 3 hours a week could bring in $100 or more. Sell unused stuff around the house, old clothes, electronics, or furniture. Platforms like Facebook Marketplace and eBay make it super easy. Example, Sarah spends 1 weekend decluttering and sells her old TV and clothes, making $200. That's nearly 2/3 of her monthly goal. 3. Set up a separate savings spot. Open a separate account just for this goal, or use apps like Digit or Acorns that round up your purchases and save spare change automatically. Out of sight, out of mind, but your savings will grow without you even noticing. Even putting $10 here and $20 there adds up fast. Quick breakdown of the strategy. Save $11 a day by cutting small expenses. Add any extra cash you earn straight to savings. Automate your progress so you don't even think about it. Saving $1,000 in 3 months isn't about giant sacrifices. It's about small changes that add up over time, like eating out less, picking up a quick side hustle, or putting extra cash aside. You don't need to be perfect. Just get started, and you'll be amazed at what you can save. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Money Matters Today for more practical money advice. Let me know in the comments, what's your best tip for saving money fast? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.